Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Podi dosa with onion and tomato. So here I chopped some onion and tomato guys, and I'm going to make dosa. For this dosa batter, you have to ferment the batter for at least one day, then only you will get the crisp dosa. So let's start guys. So here is the batter and I'm going to make dosa first. So if you want crisp dosa, please use the iron tawa, and please don't use that non-stick pan. The dosa won't come very good in the non-stick pan guys. So yeah, so this is my iron tawa. So here I put the batter and I'm going to add some oil in all the sides of the dosa. So being a South Indian guys, we love dosa and idli. So I want to share this recipe with you guys. So this is very easy and you can give it to the kids lunch box also. So my dosa is ready guys, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this podi. This is the homemade gunpowder. So we are making the podi dosa. So we need this one and I'm going to sprinkle in the dosa. And it's time to add some onion. And it's time to add some butter. If you want to skip this one, you can skip. So I added some butter. So it will melt with the podi guys and it gives the nice taste inside the dosa. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze this tomato juice like this, like a lemon juice, but this is tomato guys, and I'm going to add this tomato also inside the dosa. And remember, please always cook the dosa in the medium flame. And it's time to add some curry leaves. So this is the quick video of how to make podi dosa with onion and podi. The podi means the gunpowder. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make podi dosa with onion and tomato inside the dosa at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video, and please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye. And I want to show you in close up guys. See, can you see lot of things inside the dosa, and this is very healthy also. If you want to skip that butter, you can skip that one. It's okay. See you soon. Bye.